Hello.
Hello everyone and hello mom.
Okay, hello. Okay, so today we are starting with general knowledge question. Will you answer them?
Okay,
Which artist is known for the painting Guernica?
Pablo Picasso.
What is the name of traditional Japanese art of folding paper into different shapes?
Origami.
Who is the author of the famous book series Harry Potter?
J.K. Rowling.
Which monument in India is known for its intricate carving and is considered a UNESCO World Heritage Site?
Sun Temple, Konark.
What is the name of the festival celebrated in India to mark the victory of good over evil, often by lightning lamps?
Diwali.
Which textile art is famous for its vibrant embroidered designs, often seen in Rajasthan and Gujarat?
It is Bandhani.
Which traditional India art form involves painting on a cloth with the vibrant colors and detailed designs, often seen in Andhra Pradesh?
Kalamkari.
The Taj Mahal in India is an example of which architecture style?
Mughal architecture.
Who wrote Mahabharata?
Ved Vyasaji.
Which dance form is traditionally performed in the state of Punjab, India, and is famous for its energetic movements?
Bhangra.
The Odyssey is an epic story from which ancient civilization?
Greece.
Okay. This is a famous painting by Leonardo da Vinci. What is it called?
Mona Lisa.
This famous structure is found in Paris, France. What is it called?
It is called an Eiffel Tower.
Which of the following is the traditional fabric of India known for its hand-woven design?
Khadi.
Which traditional custom involves siblings tying a decorative thread on each other's wrist, symbolizing the protection and love?
Raksha Bandhan.
Which famous Indian monument was built by Emperor Shah Jahan in the memory of his wife?
Taj Mahal.
Who wrote the famous poem Twinkle Twinkle Little Star?
Jane Taylor.
What is the name of the folk art traditional from the state of Bihar, India, known for its detailed storytelling through paintings?
Madhubani.
Who was the first leader to declare independence in our country?
Jawaharlal Nehru.
What is the longest river in our country?
It is Ganga.
What is the name of the highest court of our country?
Supreme Court.
What is the largest industry in our country by revenue?
Manufacturing.
Okay. Which city is known as Silicon Valley of the India?
It is very easy. Bengaluru.
Who was the first woman president in India?
Pratibha Patil.
Which of the following is the first state to implement the goods and services tax, that is GST, in India?
Assam.
Which of these is the largest natural resource exported from our country?
Can you give me options?
Coal, gold, petroleum.
Coal.
What is Sunita Williams known for?
Space mission.
Who is known as the father of our constitution?
It is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar ji.
Which is the largest state in India by area?
Rajasthan.
Okay. Dash is popular among women in J&K. Farron. Okay. Which of the following is the highest mountain in India?
Kanchenjunga.
Which monument is known as a symbol of love?
Taj Mahal.
Which sport is known as the gentleman's game?
Cricket.
What is the official language of India?
Hindi.
Which freedom fighter is famously known as the Iron Man of India?
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel ji.
Who won 2016 Rio Olympic gold medal in badminton? It's women's singles. Saina Nehwal, PV Sandhu, Carolina Marin. What is the name of the famous Indian street food made of spicy puffed rice and vegetables?
Pani Puri.
Okay. Thank you.
Bye bye everyone.